Hey, this is Dominique. I am doing another VOD feedback here for this one is Charles Felder. So let's see. The first thing that I would note is I'm not sure where this background image came from. So let's see if you could put a link to the background image in here. I'm pretty sure you could probably add it as an attachment. Attach a link. Yeah, you can paste a link right there and then click attach. Um, or you can just write it in a comment, say background image, and then add a link to the background image. So we want to double check that it is an applicable photo that is copyright free. So let's see. The other thing that I would take a look at, let's see, save image as Felder VOD. So let's go over here and open up Felder VOD with Adobe Photoshop. Alright, cool. So we got Felder VOD opened. This was the one I was working on last, so let's scroll down to here. Go to Felder VOD, right click, duplicate layer, and duplicate it over here. Use layer number 9. I'm going to go over here, and one thing I will check is scroll up to the very tippy top and check out the military seals. It appears that we have used a non-conforming seal. I'm not sure where this seal came from, but it's not the one that we're using in our template. So go ahead and remove that seal and go up to the group for military seals and go down, and this is the layer for Marine Corps seal, and turn that on, and then you're good to go. Recap, let's get a link in Trello to where this background image came from. And let's remove that seal right there, the one that is in there. I'm not sure where it came from, but let's go ahead and remove that, and then let's add the one that's actually in the template. One thing I would also note is that there are no medals or ribbons on this one. That's fine. It may be that in the write-up there are no medals and ribbons that have been identified. That's totally okay. But I'll be honest, I haven't had time to read the write-up. I'm trying to get some reviews done on the graphics. So if that's the case, no big deal. Just go ahead and submit it without medals. But if it did have medals and ribbons, let's make sure that we include a version with the medals and then a version with no medals. Okay, so with medals and ribbons, or a version with medals and ribbons and a version without medals and ribbons. Or if there just is no medals or ribbons that are identified in the write-up, then just do it without. No big deal. Other than that, looks great. Let's get rid of that old seal, put this seal in, and get a link to the background image. Thanks.